It is day 6 of the portage, and we are packing up to do 3 portages today. We are almost entirely packed up by 8:23. That's pretty impressive. What's for breakfast, Paul?
We're gonna have quesadillas this morning, gentlemen.
Quesadillas. Sounds delicious. Land ho! 3, 2, 1. Drop. Nice. Three, two, one, lift.
You can step down, step down.
Nice. And we're off. Through the second portage. We have one more to go. The last one is the longest of the whole trip. It's 3/4 of a mile. See you at the third portage. Portage number 3. Longest portage of the whole trip. I think we're close to the water. Here we are. Maybe we can set her down.
We're back.
Dear Lord, we thank you for the opportunity you've given us today. Though it has rained, we're still thankful for being in Alaska and being able to experience everything about this place.
Okay, so we're having a quinoa with chicken, and there's some hot sauce you can put on it here.
Thank you, Amelia.
I would recommend the hot sauce. Yeah!
So we're finally up and moving today. We're gonna go to the Moose River and we're gonna cross our final portage. We're packing up. It's cold, it's rainy, and we're all wet. I'm wearing my life jacket to keep warm more than stay afloat. Yeah, we're learning how to pack up in rain, and it's not fun. It's brutal. But you know, gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah. Moving on day 8. Onward to the Moose River. Ready? Let's go. Oh man, my legs hurt already. Stay to the left. We're here. Drive it to the right. Actually, go forward. So Trent, we're on the Moose River, and we've gone probably about, how long do you say? 4 miles? 3 miles?
We've been on here for about almost 2 hours.
Almost, yeah, hour and a half, 2 hours. And we finally hit our first down tree that's completely blocking the river. Yep, that's Larry and Dave up there. Larry's sawing and Dave is watching intently.
Wait, total or for this tree?
Trent, how long's it been? It's been an hour and 20 minutes, and the log is broken, and we are over, I think. Nope. Thoughts on this, Peyton?
This is taking a long time, but I don't know a better way to do it.
Yeah. I'd agree, this is taking a long time.
And the rain doesn't help at all.
Yeah, it actually kind of makes it worse. Let's see if we can navigate through this. We're good. Fits like a glove, baby. honey juice here. So it's been about 3 minutes and we've encountered another down tree, but we're gonna go around this one. Push! Well, we asked for an adventure. This is what we get. We made it. Yeah. Took us, what, 4 hours? 4 hours of canoeing and we're here. Wow.